Now we're moving into a world of probabilistic data, where we're going to have to start making some inferences. Machine learning and AI is awesome at doing that. So we can now use signals that are of less fidelity to be able to kind of come up with the same potential outcome, if not better outcomes, with the use of AI in the future.
I think the biggest opportunity for machine learning and AI is increasing the strength and accuracy of probabilistic matches. So the ability to kind of, one, preserve privacy by, instead of transiting your data across the ecosystem, can you build really smart and robust models about the features and patterns about the consumers that you do know.
What we're finding is more and more identity providers are actually using Gen AI to actually locate connections of devices to an individual or a household that maybe an identity graph would not identify. And even some of the legacy identity providers are actually starting to incorporate that technology. And it's just such powerful technology that it's able to find things that maybe other previous technologies were not able to find.
One really cool thing we've built recently is a Gen AI-based personas product. So generating personas to create really sophisticated targeting tactics on a campaign. We're really excited about that kind of use case and the future of AI.
We've been able to create really deep custom audience taxonomies that help them light up more advertising, more revenue opportunities, both increasing CPMs through the accuracy of the audience segment, but also the volume through modeling activities that can turn a very discrete seed audience data set into a modeled audience.
There's so much data out there of like, so this user or these people usually behave a certain way when they get to this website from a different, from let's say Facebook. They behave a certain way and differently from people who get there from TikTok. Trying to fit that data into that machine that can analyze and then start showing experiences at scale. I think that's where you start creating personalization that's more interesting than just what we have today. And I really think it's just the tip of the iceberg right now. It's going to evolve significantly in the next couple of years.
So today when we think about how to resolve the privacy challenges, there are a lot of technologies that have been out there that could be classified as groundbreaking. Blockchain for transparent and immutable tracking, as well as distributed learning, multi-party computation. Those are all things that are absolutely super exciting for a small company like us that can be super flexible.
I think the ability to cross channel and cross sort of device see the same user using those ID providers we've mentioned gives a real ability that we didn't have before to move out of measurement in the kind of silos of the channel that they've been in and really look a bit more holistically and really understand the utility of a particular campaign and how those different formats are feeding into each other.
So for us, real-time data enrichment, where data companies can have a real-time conversation with the bid stream, is an exciting part of the future, and one that I think will open the door to a lot of different kinds of data sets being activated.
We were one of the first adopters of UID, and we've seen the significant traction in the marketplace around that. We do not believe in a single ID. It needs to be, we want to be agnostic, because that's our data strategy, is to always be agnostic, whether it's an identifier, a data partner from a targeting or a measurement perspective.
For us, I don't think it is ever going to be about finding that one winner. It's going to be about finding the strengths and weaknesses and what are the solutions that drive the best results for us.